Now in this video we're gonna explore a Coke bottle. This is a new channel, by the way, and I'm a bit nervous. So let's start. Okay, my friend, let's go. Okay. Okay, let's just open it. Oh shit! Damn it! That was awesome.
Super.
That was awesome. Okay, did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? What happened? Did you see that? Okay, let's do it once again. Okay,
let's redo it.
Spider-Man.
Oh no, boy!
Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh, this is awesome. Okay, guys. Now, oh shit! Holy shit, man!
Just look at this.
Okay. Okay, no.
Let's have
Shake it.
a bit of play.
Close the bottle and throw it down. Not very tight, not very tight. Now shake it.
Don't throw at me, man.
Okay, guys, are you ready for this? Are you ready? Okay, here you go.
No.
Just wait for a bit. Okay, let the vehicle go. You can see this. It's quite.
Okay, now throw it in. Throw it.
Now we will have a bath of water of Coca-Cola. Wait a minute. Let's go some other side.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Holy shit, man.
It's
This
in
is gonna be
English,
fun.
man.
This is gonna be fun.
It's
Ooh, damn it.
Okay,
yeah.
so let's do this.
One
Just record
second.
it here. Yeah!
Okay, that was a
Oh,
fail. That was a
no.
fail. Go get the bottle, man. Go get the bottle.
Yeah, that was a big fail
That
because
fail. Oh, that was awesome.
यार दिखता ही नहीं है यार.
Holy shit, man. Okay, great. Do you like the video? Just press the like button and please subscribe. Please